Welcome to Tips and Tricks Tuesday. I'm Matthew. Today I'll show you how to thoroughly clean your windscreen. So to do that we'll need to move your window wipers, alright? So these ones here, you can't actually open them up now. What I'm going to show you is how to open them up. So to move your window wipers and to get them to stay up so that you can actually fold them back, what you need to do is put them into servicing mode. So I'll show you how to do that now. So what you do is you want to put it into accessory mode, turn it on, then what you want to do is turn it off and 2 clicks, and then they'll stay up. So what you do now is now you can thoroughly clean your windshield. So you want to lift these up, and then what you can do is give it a good spray, and as you can see you can access a whole lot more now. And you want to get rid of all of that there. Once you've cleaned your windshield on your car, what you want to do is gently fold the window wipers back down, and then to put them to their original state, what we're going to do is jump back in the car. Alright, so what we do now is we turn it back into our accessory mode, so radio and everything comes back on, and then what you want to do is just click the window wipers once, and then they return back to their normal state. Thank you for watching Tips and Tricks Tuesday. Here at Mazda, we'll make it happen.